Shape and size of bacteria. 1. What are Cocci bacteria? Cocci are spherical or oval-shaped bacteria. 2. What are Streptococci? Cocci arranged in chains are called Streptococci. 3. What are Staphylococci? Cocci arranged in irregular clumps like bunches of grapes are called Staphylococci. 4. What is a tetrad? A tetrad is a packet of 4 Cocci cells. 5. What is Sarcina? Sarcina is a packet of 8 Cocci cells. 6. Give 2 examples of Cocci bacteria. Streptococcus pneumoniae and Neisseria meningitis. 7. What are bacilli? Bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria. 8. What are Diplobacilli? Rod-shaped bacteria found in pairs are called Diplobacilli. 9. What are Coccobacilli? Very short and ovoid-shaped rod bacteria are called Coccobacilli. 10. What are spirochates? Spirochates are thin-walled, flexible spiral-shaped bacteria. 11. What is the size range of bacteria? Bacteria range in size from 0.1 to 600 micrometers. Endospore formation. 12. What is sporulation? Sporulation is the process by which a bacterium forms an endospore. 13. What are endospores? Endospores are dormant, highly resistant structures formed by bacteria like Clostridium and Bacillus. 14. Why is endospore formation not considered reproduction? There is no increase in cell number during sporulation. 15. List the main stages of endospore formation. Initiation, asymmetric division, membrane development, peptidoglycan layer formation, spore coat formation, maturation, and release. 16. What is the function of the spore coat? The spore coat provides protection against extreme conditions. Motility in bacteria. 17. What structures help bacteria move? Flagella, pili, or changes in buoyancy. 18. What are monotrichous bacteria? Bacteria with a single flagellum. 19. What are amphitrichous bacteria? Bacteria with a flagellum at each end. 20. What are lophotrichous bacteria? Bacteria with clusters of flagella at the pore. 21. What are peritrichous bacteria? Bacteria with flagella distributed over their entire surface. 22. What is chemotaxis? Movement of bacteria in response to chemical stimuli. 23. What are the 3 parts of a bacterial flagellum? Basal body, hook, and filament. Genomic organization in bacteria. 24. What type of chromosome do most bacteria have? Most bacteria have a single circular chromosome. 25. What are plasmids? Plasmids are accessory rings of DNA found in bacteria. 26. Give an example of bacteria with a linear chromosome. Borrelia, example Borrelia burgdorferi. 27. What is the size of the Escherichia coli genome? About 5 × 10⁶ base pairs. Modes of nutrition in bacteria. 28. What are autotrophic bacteria? Autotrophic bacteria obtain carbon by fixing carbon dioxide. 29. What are heterotrophic bacteria? Heterotrophic bacteria obtain carbon and energy from organic compounds. 30. What is the difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic bacteria? Autotrophic bacteria fix CO2, while heterotrophic bacteria depend on organic sources. 31. What are saprotrophic bacteria? Bacteria that obtain nutrients from dead organic matter. 32. What are parasitic bacteria? Bacteria that obtain nutrients from a host organism, often causing disease. 33. Give 2 examples of saprotrophic bacteria. Pseudomonas and Azotobacter. 34. Give 2 examples of parasitic bacteria. Vibrio cholerae and Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Photosynthesis in bacteria. 35. What is bacteriochlorophyll? A unique type of chlorophyll found in photosynthetic bacteria. 36. Which gas do photosynthetic bacteria use instead of water? Hydrogen sulfide, HS. 37. Give 2 examples of photosynthetic bacteria. Purple sulfur bacteria and green sulfur bacteria. 38. What are chemoautotrophic bacteria? Bacteria that make carbohydrates by oxidizing inorganic substances. 39. Give an example of a chemoautotrophic bacterium. Sulfur bacteria. 40. Write the equation for sulfur oxidation by chemoautotrophic bacteria. 2H2S plus O2 right pointing arrow 2S plus H2O plus energy. Comparison. Cyanobacteria vs. Photosynthetic bacteria. 41. What is the primary pigment in cyanobacteria? Chlorophyll A. 42. How do cyanobacteria differ from photosynthetic bacteria? Cyanobacteria use water as an electron donor, releasing oxygen, whereas photosynthetic bacteria use hydrogen sulfide and release sulfur. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.